Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. TipRanks is still having their huge 30% off sale now until the end of March. So if you've been considering unlocking some fantastic research tools or upgrading your existing subscription, now is the time to do so. Make sure you follow the link in the description down below over to tipranks.com. And don't forget to check out TipRanks TV while you're at it for some ad-free exclusive content, and say good morning in the comments over there. I'll be hanging out in the comment section replying to you all following this morning's video. Now this morning we'll be covering exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. So let's jump right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.42%, S&P 500 futures up 0.4%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.36%. EV infrastructure company ChargePoint recently revealed that they've entered into a strategic partnership with logistics company Gatik to build an electric ecosystem for their autonomous electric fleet of trucks. Gatik's partnership with ChargePoint will allow companies seeking to reduce their carbon footprint and make their operations more sustainable to decarbonize their operations to some extent and achieve their sustainability goals. Through this partnership, Gatik will have access to ChargePoint's nationwide charging network and fleet-specific software. The infrastructure stands to benefit by getting access to Gatik's vehicle depots and customer locations across existing and emerging markets. Analysts rate the ChargePoint stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 31%. Retail giant Walmart has decided to stop selling cigarettes at some of its U.S. locations. The retailer confirmed the plan to drop cigarettes from some of its stores after the Wall Street Journal earlier reported about it. They've not revealed how many stores will discontinue cigarette sales. However, it is reported that they've started removing them from stores in Florida, California, New Mexico, and Arkansas. They're only reducing their tobacco business instead of exiting the space completely, at least for now, meaning the move should have a minimal impact on their revenue. Analysts rate the Walmart stock a moderate buy with an average upside of about 12%. Wells Fargo has entered into a partnership with MasterCard and Bilt, a leading loyalty program for renters, to become the official issuer of the Bilt MasterCard. The new co-branded credit card, which carries no annual fee, gives reward points to renters for timely rental payments. The head of partnerships at Wells Fargo said that we are thrilled to partner with a game-changing loyalty program like Bilt Rewards. Rent is the single largest expense for the vast majority of American renters, yet it's never been a tool that helps consumers confidently enter the housing market. The Wells Fargo stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 20%. AMC Entertainment skyrocketed yesterday, closing the day up nearly 45% following a statement from the company's CEO. He expects more transformational merger and acquisition deals in the coming period following the company's investment in gold and silver mining operator Hycroft Mining earlier this month. They invested nearly $28 million in them, acquiring a 22% stake. He commented that "I'd like to think there will be more third-party external M&A announcements going forward where AMC can reach for the stars and intriguing investments that have potentially attractive returns." Not a favorite among analysts, the AMC stock is rated a moderate sell with an average downside of over 66%. And UPS has entered into a partnership with direct-to-consumer e-commerce company ESW to provide ease of shipping to international consumers. With shopping outside home countries gaining momentum, this partnership between UPS and ESW will provide integrated international e-commerce and shipping capabilities for brands aiming to widen their direct-to-consumer capacities. The partnership will also help UPS gain access to ESW's suite of e-commerce solutions across stores, pricing, payments, and delivery. Analysts rate the UPS stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 10%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from companies like Lovesac, Academy Sports, Cons, and McCormick & Company. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from big names like Chewy, Micron, Lululemon, and RH. Yesterday, we heard from Lightning eMotors. Their stock dropped after reporting mixed results for their fourth quarter due to supply chain issues. Their Q4 earnings of 28 cents per share was significantly higher than analyst expectations of a loss of 19 cents per share. However, the numbers may not be comparable as the Q4 net income included a one-time gain of $40 million. They reported revenues of $4.22 million, up 13% year over year, but lagging the estimates of $5.25 million. Analysts currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 106%. Now let's see which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Nielsen Holdings, as it was just announced they've agreed to be acquired for $16 billion or $28 per share. Under the ticker NLSN, the stock is up over 20%. They're followed by SolarWinds under the ticker SWI. They're up over 9% after it was announced they'd be showcasing their database solutions at DEV Intersection 2022. And Lancaster Colony under the ticker LANC, their stock is up about 9% on no distinct news. Our biggest losers this morning are led by NeoGenomics. Their stock is down after it was announced their CEO would be quitting following a disappointing quarterly result. Under the ticker NEO, the stock is down over 29%. They're followed by Dave & Buster's under the ticker PLAY. Their stock is down 5.6% following their fourth quarter. And Bed Bath & Beyond under the ticker BBBY, their stock is down over 4%, cooling off from bigger gains earlier this week with the meme stock comeback. So that is going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to head over to TipRanks to take advantage of that 30% off sale and check out TipRanks TV while you're there for some great exclusive content. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you say good morning in the comments over at TipRanks TV. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.